What my secrets? Never know secrets. All your secrets are safe with mine. Alright, my mic is working now. That's epic. Epic saucicles. But now my headphones aren't working. There we go.
What are you saying?
Like R&B.
Okay.
There we go. What up, Austin? What's going on, Austin? What's going on, Builder Beast? Austin, what's up, dude? Are you having a crisis in chat?
What are you buying?
Are you having a crisis in chat? Yo, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I've been listening to this
Oh, look, we're right next to
non-stop the past couple days. Non-freaking stop, dude. Like, I just, yeah, I don't care. No, I'm just excited to see you. Wow, bro. Thanks. Oh, shit. What a nice thing to say. What a nice thing to say, Austin. It's the nicest thing anybody's ever said to me in the past probably 10 fucking years. You're such a sweetheart. You're gonna make me blush, you motherfucker. Alright. Dude, is this song fire or no? Like, are you guys fucking with that or no, bro? That shit's heat. That shit's heat. Like, I'm actually like, that shit's gas. I need to turn on the Twitch chat. It's alright. Builder Beast wouldn't know a good song if it slapped him in the face, bro. Builder Beast wouldn't know a good song if it slapped him in the face. Holy crap. Shit's fire, bro. And the crazy thing is that they do this on the spot, bro. They do this shit on the spot. Like, this is like, he's cooking this up in real time. This guy has to be like at least 160, 170 IQ, easy. The way he cooks this shit up on the spot, bro. And he mixes in like other sounds in his environment and shit. And what he'll do is he'll like take the vocals, and he's like constantly recording everything through the mic. And he uses it like in real time with everything else that he's doing. It's fucking insane, dude. It's actually unreal. Let me turn on this chat though real quick. All your secrets. All your secrets. Yeah, bro. Beyond. She's fucking good as shit. One of the comments was like, this one right here. The girl in the burgundy jacket is a true master of vocal discordance. Puts the listener on edge, like you don't know where she is going. So unpredictable. Fabulous way to sing. I agree with that. Whatever she's doing, she's mastered something, bro. Music theory? What are we talking about music theory, Builder Beast? What if she doesn't know a single thing about music theory? Oh, you're saying his comment? You're saying his comment? That he's talking about music theory? Maybe. I don't know. I don't even know what music theory is. What just freaking happened? I can't move. Alright. Not her, the guy. Yeah. Or this guy? Or the comment? Which guy? But yeah, I paused it because this dude asked a question. How do you learn OOP? Very good question. What up, Deezer? Very good question. How do you learn OOP? Very good question. Very good question. Here's the answer to that. And you won't ever hear anybody else say this because I am a master at turning complex situations into simple statements. Okay? No, I'm just kidding. But this is actually fire though, what I'm about to say. How do you learn OOP? Learn tables. Learn tables. Learn tables. You don't need an extremely high IQ, you just need to know how to make music. Builder Beast, you're stick to programming, bud. Okay? Leave the artists, leave the art to the artists, alright? Stick to programming, bud. Stick to programming, Buster. Yeah, but what you're saying is just not true. Because if we're talking about music theory, some of the best songs ever made go against music theory. They just didn't even have music theory in them though. You know what I'm saying? So like I do believe that music theory can be more of a bad thing than a good thing. Because if you're just doing what feels right and what sounds right in art, that's when the best art comes off. Then you can start to apply like music theory. But if we're just talking like strictly music theory, I think that creates more bad art than good. That's my opinion though. It's all opinion. But to go against it intentionally, then you must know it. I disagree. I think you naturally go against music theory as you're playing. Like, have you ever seen like an artist, like a musician that plays, or have you ever seen somebody that starts to play music and they just really just like get it and they can just make some fire shit without practicing, or like maybe, I mean, not like without practicing, but like without all the learning, right? Like the learning what things are and shit, just by making sounds, right? Just by making sounds. I think that's what she's doing. I think that's what she did, maybe. I don't know, obviously, but I think that she like just made fucking sounds, bro, and just did what sounded right and felt right to her. You know what I mean? Same with this guy. This guy might actually be on the more technical side of things, but in order to do what he's doing, yeah, he's probably a music theory guy. I'm not gonna lie, because he's probably like, I don't know, he's so good at it, so he probably does that. But anyways, I don't fucking know, dude. Honestly, don't even know what I'm talking about. I don't need music theory, but I can do some nice stuff on a drum set, piano. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. I wonder if he did, but if you go, I only say this because like if you go to his channel, he'd been making music and like it sounds like he is technical with it. What is this? I actually didn't even see this video. Is this Table Clash? Nah, we're not doing Table Clash.
What you got there, shrimp? Studying for physics? This is sheet music! Shut up.
What do you want, Chad?
Listen, I got stats homework tonight. Linear regression. Now, how about you make a nice investment into your 401k and you do it for me in return for you not getting your butt kicked before gym tomorrow. Got it?
How do you even know what a 401?
Got it?
Yeah, okay, man, okay.
Good. Did you piss yourself?
Come on, man, I gotta go.
Mr. Piss himself.
Dude, what the hell am I watching? Yeah, I know. Hell no. Yeah. He's still saying pissed himself. He's mouthing off pissed himself. That's crazy. What is this video?
Stressed, I'm sitting here and sweating. 17 hours remaining to learn linear regression. No time to spend assessing the material I'm dreading. My very life and big.
All right. Yo. We're not going to watch that. I don't know what that was, bro. But I wonder how much he knows music theory though. Because he does seem technical.
And I hate the way I know.
This is better. This is better. Basically just scales and chords. Okay. Alright. What was I doing, bruh? We're doing Figma, bro. What up, Denzo? Yeah, pets. Yeah, we're doing UI right now. Have you guys ever seen the movie Mean Girls? You have plus for what?
Oh yeah. Oh,
I gotta
yeah.
play that again, honestly.
That was DIY.
Play that again, bro. Just let it play in the background. Vibe out. Well, ChatGPT Plus is just good for stuff in general. Got you. Secrets. Now you guys get to see how dumb I look when I set up UI, bro. That's fucking fire. It's amazing how little adjustments can matter so much in terms of style and design for like the art and the style. Your secrets are safe with me. All your secrets are safe with me. Let me know if you wait. What? I know what Figma is. Wait, what are we talking about? Figma? Yeah. What about Figma, Austin? Did I miss stuff? I think I missed some stuff. I don't know. I know what Figma is. Oh. I'm surprised he's using it. Why are you surprised? Austin, do you know before I was a programmer, I did Photoshop and video editing for almost 5 years straight. Like, bruh. Come on, bruh. Why you playing with me, dude? Why you playing with me, dude? You know who I am, right? You know who I am in this mode, right? Come on, bruh. Yeah, I used to do Photoshop hours every single day for years. I loved it. I loved Photoshop. And it was really just for my own creation though. Some part of me wanted to get into like making money with it, but at the same time, just where I was at in life, I didn't want to pursue that. I didn't want it to take away the joy of like just designing and creating random shit. I think this is done though, honestly. I think this is fine. Like, there's nothing else I need to do here, really. Because this is going to be the side view that swings out, right? So it's going to go in, or it's going to go, yeah, it's going to go in. And then it's going to swing out whenever you have a pet selected, right? Yeah. And then this background's transparent. This background's transparent, so you'll be able to see the world still.
Oh yeah. Oh,
I think this is gonna look really clean in game. I think it's gonna look really clean in game. I'm not gonna lie,
thank you for setting up for me. I appreciate that, bro. Thank you, bro.
bro. It's easy to make design in Figma. I wouldn't say
You
easy.
got a little crowd. You got
Photoshop is hard. Yeah. I mean, I think they're both hard. I mean, I think Figma is the way Figma works is it can be really simple to do things, right? But easy in what way? You know what I mean? Like in terms of the actual design of elements, understanding padding. So like right here, you guys saw me adjust this a little bit over to the left. This whole like situation right here. Why did I do that? Because the padding here now fits the padding here. Makes sense? So
slow it down.
and then I also brought this down, and you saw that, right? Like I also brought this whole group down a little bit, so now the padding is the same here that it is here. It doesn't look like it is though, but it is. I mean, we just saw it. It was the same 30x, 30x. Let me actually, maybe I accidentally shifted it. Let me see, because it does look a little off. Oops, 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 oops. Yeah, see, it's the same, so we're good. And then just in terms of like what looks good. So what I actually did, oh shit, what the fuck is this? I feel like that's fine, but I really, yeah, that's fine. So like what I did also was these layers in the back here, like this little back shadow that you're seeing, I thought this would look really clean. So what I did was I just added a blur effect on them. So now they look like more sharp, and I didn't really want that because this UI is clean, right? It's just very like, there's subtle differences, and that's what makes the style of it so appealing to the eyes. So anything sharp is kind of like out of character for just the general style. Does that make sense? Am I yapping? Oh shit, what do I do here? Fuck, what'd I do? There we go, I redid it. I'm actually gonna add that to the background too. Oh, that looks sick! That actually looks fire. You see the little blur now is on the background too? So we get this right here. And that's gonna look sick in game, bro. It's gonna look sick in game. By the way, for the plugin, you gotta rename your stuff to contain the class you want objects to be exported as. What are we talking about? Oh, like this is stuff right here. Like all of it? Yeah, okay. Wait, oh, so like name it, then make sure it has frame in the name if you want to oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Got you, got you. Yeah, maybe Builder Beast for sure. If I'm like struggling with it. And you know what I've even considered? I've even considered adding like for these ones that have a darker stroke, like let's just see what it looks like, right? Oops, what did I just do? Let's just see what it looks like for the, I'm trying to get the back. Can I get the back, please? Can I get the back, please? I want to get the back, dude. Fuck. I just want to see what it looks like if I add a blur effect on that too. Is that, I don't know. That's not really like that appealing, I feel like. It's too much blur at this point. Ooh, that's interesting. Now, not for this style. Not for this whole like UI, I feel like now because of these sharp strokes, I should keep the outer sharp as well. So the inner is like fine, right? The inner, we want that blur effect. But I feel like because our like we do have like offset color strokes, I feel like this outer being blurred is nice, but like this, if we kept this, it's just not gonna fit. It's not gonna look good. It's gonna take away from the. It's gonna take away from it. Oh, that little subtle though. I actually really like that little subtle, but we're not gonna do it. We want to keep it sharp, honestly. Not gonna lie. We want to keep that sharp. Yeah, I feel like now we should maybe. At the same time, though, you don't want attention to be drawn to this bottom stroke bit. We don't have a stroke up here. I opacity'd it, so it's a gradient stroke, and it only shows up at the bottom. I just thought that would look super clean. Now, yeah, I think this is actually gonna work because we want attention to be drawn on the actual UI. And this will actually, so this being blurred out, this stroke on the background could actually improve the UX if we really think about it, right? So I think I'm going to leave it for now. The only thing I'm thinking about, I wish I could, these like circles have a hard time blurring at the top here. Like I didn't have that issue with these. And I've kind of like adjusted the properties enough to realize I don't know how to make it blur. And at the same time, I also don't really care enough. So I think it's fine to have these not like blurred. It's not very noticeable. It doesn't like take away from the UI, I don't think. Because they're smaller buttons, and yeah, I just think it'll be fine for now. Although it does kind of bother me. But anyways, this text I feel like is good, but it could be better. It could be better, and I'm not necessarily sure on what I would do to improve it. But I think it's good, almost great for now, and so I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to leave it. I think it fits. It's fine. But yeah, anyways, hell nah. What do you mean? Your pets would look better if it looked the same as pet name? I don't... I think I disagree with that. I think I disagree with that. Because this is the title, so it can look different. It can look different. Plain white with a border. I tried that. I didn't really like it, to be honest. Like, I mean, let's just do it real quick. That's kind of cool. That's kind of fire. A little bit. That's like a little bit fire. But it's not it. That's not the path we want to take. How come you don't want the top gray bar to be in the middle? What are we talking about? What gray bar? I mean, that does look good, but I personally don't like it. I think when we keep it all white, it brings too much attention to the title. It's kind of like I'm going to be looking at this sometimes when I don't need to, because it's very, very out there. I want it to be more subtle, and that's why I gave it that gradient. What the fuck did I just do? There we go. That's why I gave it that gradient, because now it's a little bit subtle. It's more subtle. It's not as eye-catching and bright, right? The pet name here, we want to be eye-catching and bright because that's part of your pet's info. That's the stuff that you want your attention to be drawn to, I feel like. What if you separate the search bar and the buttons into two separate bars at the top? I think that's just adding more. I mean, hold on a second. I think that's just adding more, like, I think that's unnecessary. I did draw a reference from this UI. So it's not at all the exact same. But there's a lot that's similar. I did draw a reference from this UI. So we'll see what it is. It's unnecessary, but would look nice. I think it looks nice as is, to be honest. I don't think it's that much of a, like, I don't think it's that big of a deal, to be honest. But let's see, like, what this UI looks like. So they kept it all in one bar, and they have that line to separate it. And then they also have, like, a little situation right here, like, which I think might actually, now that I'm thinking about it, this might actually be a good thing because maybe they don't know that they can click on it if it's just like this. If it doesn't really look like much of a button when it's sitting like this, does it? Oh shit, I just dragged it over on accident. So yeah, I am gonna put like a little thing right there so now they know that they can do it. Search needs to be clearly separate. I think I don't think it needs to be like, I think I'm going to put one of these here. Hold on a second. Let me get this here. All right. Ah, fuck. I fucking hate this, like, send to the back sometimes. Oh, fuck. I'm, like, so out of fucking... Alright, now I can't remember, like, the hotkey to change the radius here, so I'm just gonna do it over here. Wait. Oh, I can't. I don't think I can manipulate this the way that I want to, because it's a circle. Yeah, I don't think so. What is this? What does this button do? Apply blend mode. Use corner, raise it. Yeah, I'm aware. That's literally what I was just thinking of. Can I not? Okay, here we go. I wanted to just use the circle real quick, but I don't think I can, honestly. All right. I forgot what these are. Let me check what these are. Ah, dude, I keep enabling this, bro. I keep like enabling this thing right here, this like edit thing. 'Cause I'm ass. Okay. What's wrong with this? Oh, I did a stroke. No stroke. I can't remember which one it is. So that's 20%. Oh, it's at 20 already. Okay. We're taking this down. Just so it matches. All right. Now we want it to be right here. And then we can kind of like keep it there. I'm gonna actually move it down. Fuck. Okay. Is that darker, bro? That's darker than this one. I don't think we're using the right gray. That's the right gray, isn't it? I think that's all right. I think we're using the wrong gray though on the bottom too. We're using the wrong grays, dude. I don't think we are actually. It just looks darker, I think, because it's bigger, maybe. I don't know. Here's what we could do though. Oh wait, what is this? We could take this down a little bit. There we go. That looks good. I think that looks fine. I think that looks fine. All right, bro. Gradient colors were the same. Is there a transparency on the button backgrounds? Could be making them lighter. I mean, it's just, it looks a little bit different, I think, because I'm using things like effects and I'm using this layer blur, and the layer blur, it acts differently depending on the shape. And so that's why we're getting like different darknesses and color on this rectangle than we are these circles. And that's also why I had to turn down the blur effect on this rectangle. And then I turned the opacity down on the darker color to so yeah. So now it matches, you know what I mean? Just by little adjustments. The only thing I don't like is this is clearly like a line here, and I want that to be smoothed out. So I'm not sure why that's acting goofy or what. I think it's because this top color is too light, maybe? Nah, yeah, it's like acting a fool right now. There we go. But it's not as dark as we want it to be. Now it's lighter than the rest. I don't think it matters too much though. Like it's like whatever. That's fine. You're like gonna barely notice that. I mean, if you're a player and you're noticing that, you're just kind of like weird. Yeah, I think it's fine. But now it's clearly like another button that we can do. It's a search button. And it's like, should I extend and put a line right here? I don't know. I don't think it's that deep, to be honest. Like, they're just 4 buttons. Yeah, I think so too. The only thing I don't like so far is this space is more, and it's not like consistently more. It's more in a weird way. I feel like the padding here between here and here. And then also on the edge too. Let me actually, that's good. That's better. Now it's I feel like consistently more because it's like almost double, if not double. That's better. Yeah, that's better. And then we have this more matching with this, although this could be brought over a little bit. That fucking money sound scared the shit out of me. I think it's fine for now. We're just gonna leave it.
Builder Beast.
Is that a super chat? Thanks a ton for all the help you've been giving me lately. Bro, no problems, bro. Thank you for the $10 donation, bro. You're a real one, dude. We gotta make a mod, bro. We gotta make a mod, guys. You guys just are wanting me to blush on stream at this point. I'm gonna play your favorite song. I'm gonna play your favorite song, Builder Beast. This is Builder Beast's favorite song, chat. Yeah, it is, bro. Alice in Chains. What is that? I don't think I've heard that before. I don't know. I mod everybody that sends a super chat. I mean, I don't think mod means much. You just get a wrench by your name, bro. Like, I don't really care either way. I mean, you can like ban people, I guess. I don't know. Bad? I mean, I personally don't care. You can't really do much. You can just like ban people and delete messages and shit. So it's like, yeah, I don't know. I assume there wouldn't be malicious people that were doing that. I guess Denzo. We gotta do the billboard now, don't we? I don't. But I'm not gonna get. I don't think I'm gonna get. I'm not gonna get copyrighted for this though. I'm not gonna get copyrighted for this because it's not a real song. You know what I mean? Like, there's no way I get copyrighted off of a song made on a stream. Yeah, for Alice in Chains, yeah, but not for this. No, I'm not. I'm saying for this, bro. I'm saying for this. For this song that I'm playing. Yeah, bro. Use. What is this? Holy shit, math is crazy. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that right now. I'll put a link in whatchamacallit though. In the Discord. I don't know which one to play. I'm assuming this one. Parallels. Parallels. And that chick just walks around fucking New York, bro. Like random ass person. Jesus. Fuck, where's the video at? Did I skip it? We're gonna listen to it again, dude. I'm hooked on this, bro. I can't stop listening to it. It's so good. It's genuinely fire.
Yeah, you getting on? Yeah, come on. Let's do it.
Oh shit. Alright, we gotta do the billboard now. I'm not excited for the billboard, I'm not gonna lie. This took me fucking hours to do. UI design just takes hours. That's why I'd rather not. And then it's like even when you're done designing it, you still have more to go. Billboards are annoying. Why do you think they're annoying? You see how it's like transparent? So I think that's gonna look pretty sick in game, to be honest. Trying to think of how I want to set this up though. Bro, I could listen to this all day. I'm not even kidding.
Oh, yeah.
Bro. I could listen to this all day. You guys are probably like getting annoyed as fuck already, bro. think I should add a stroke to these texts. Like, these don't need them, but I feel like these kind of do.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was DIY. Yo, thank you for setting up for me. I appreciate that, bro.
I love this.
Thank you, bro.
It's cool, man.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, everybody, by the way.
thank you,
Damn.
brother. You're always
Bro,
there.
you got a little crowd. You got a little crowd going on.
This is such a banger song. Is it on Spotify? No, it's in the Discord. I put the video in the Discord. It's a literal video though.
So, hey, should we make this light?
Yeah.
Let's do it. You guys are welcome to come if you want.
Do you do this in New York often?
I feel like
yeah,
I'm almost
say so.
cooking something up,
Funny,
but
my
it's
friend
not.
texted
It's
me
just
saying
not
you were
going
from
well.
New And I was like,
And it's because of
"Do you
this
know him?" And I was like,
separation
"I don't."
right here.
Like,
Like this is clearly a little bit different than this, so I'm thinking.
Hey, wait. So I'm not invited?
Dude,
The
I
hell?
actually got takeout
There we go.
Oh, well, what
That
what
might
kind
actually.
of music do you
I
listen
don't know.
anywhere from
Yeah, it's still not
Francisco
it.
County,
It's just
Omar
not it.
Apollo, Danny
Ooh.
Caesar, Dominic Fike.
to? Slow it down.
I feel like it's okay, though.
All right.
I feel like it's
Give me a
fine.
little time.
Like, it looks
I'll
fine.
start cooking up a little bit.
Yeah.
I'll start thinking.
Yeah, I'm kind of fine with it, I
Kind
guess.
of like that. I like that.
I don't know. I don't know. We'll just keep going for now.
I wanna know what you're doing. Everybody finds you confusing, and that's fine. You just gotta take your time again.
Gotta go prep my meals for the week. Sounds good, Austin. Have a good day, bro.
Everything you do is amazing, that's fine. But that can't be true. Is it just me and not you? Gotta move like I'm chasing.
Jason.
Got my left foot on the pavement. It's you that I'm waiting on. That's fine. You don't wanna stop for a little while. Missing you for a little bit of time. See you in my left eye when you're walking by. I don't wanna know if you'll ever be mine. No, no. Don't wanna know if you're gonna try. Wanna see what you're losing. I just wanna see you. Better choose me. Wanna be me for a little bit. Wanna be me. I gotta move like I'm chasing. Got my left foot on the pavement. Gotta be patient. And that's fine. You in my eyes for a little while. I gotta move like I'm chasing. Got my left foot on the pavement. Gotta be patient, and that's fine. You in my eyes for a little while.
When I wanna be me for a little bit, take me back to the days I was innocent. Everything just today is so intense. I've been losing my head, I mean that innocence. I ain't making sense. Stocks going up the finance, bro. Finance, no, with the finance flow. And one more time, let me raise my glass to the sky and I ask you just once more.
Gotta move like I'm chasing. Got my left foot on the pavement. Gotta be patient, and that's fine. You in my eyes for a little while. I gotta move like I'm chasing. Got my left foot on the pavement. Gotta be patient, and that's fine. You in my eyes for a little while. I gotta move like I'm chasing. Got my left foot on the pavement. Gotta be patient, and that's fine. You in my eyes for a little while. I gotta move like I'm chasing. Got my left foot on the pavement. Gotta be patient, and that's fine. You in my eyes for a little while.
That was fucking awesome, bro. Thank you so much for having me. That was good. Yeah. Dude, we got a hook.
What's UI Shine? What's that? What are these? Like, what are these, like, things right here? No idea what these are. Oh, you gotta get the basic luck first. Oh, it's more luck. Okay. That makes sense. What's this one trophy mean? Oh, the how much they cost, I guess. That's cool. Alright, so what I could do is, I guess I'll just put buttons right here on the sides. I don't know. Or up at the top. I think the sides is better. Shine effect you see on the button. Can which like where? Like the gradient, like between situation or what? The glint here in this game? Like these? I'm kind of confused. Like the store button. Oh, I guess I don't see it. I don't see what you mean. Oh, that gradient? I I made that in Sumo Ball. If you go to my Sumo Ball repo, which should be public, you can search around for it. How can I get this layer, bro? There we go. Right here. Like, I think that's... Is that it? I really have no fucking idea. There we go. I mean, I don't even know what that looks like, to be honest. It's supposed to look like that. It somewhat does. What do you need, builder? Help with what? if it gets changed to inf, that's just how that shit works sometimes. You gotta like, I think you can put a condition on like if it's math dot huge or some shit. If number equals math dot huge, then make it equal something. I don't know. I'm not really sure what you mean, to be honest. You'd have to show me. What was I just about to do? Oh yeah, we're gonna look up free icons. Yeah, there's conditions you can do, bro, like math dot huge conditions and shit. We're gonna look for luck. Let's see a luck one. Oh, I forgot. Free icon doesn't have fucking. They don't have white images. We need white images. Luck icon white PNG. What up, Passy? That's fire. I'm not gonna lie. I just cooked this whole shit. Claude. What other can we use? What icons can we use for this other than this leaf clover? Oh, you know what we could do? I could find some other ones. Hold on. I could find some more. So white three-leaf clover icon PNG. We could just do like 3, 4, 5. That'd be lit. That'd be lit actually, I'm not gonna lie. If we can find some like elegant ones, I guess. Let's go back to our shit, see what it looks like. Uh, they're like hearts, like the 3 are hearts. The 3 are all hearts, bro. Is that how like a 3-leaf clover looks? Is it's a heart? I'm guessing. I don't know. Is that a 5? What the fuck is this? Oh, it's a 4-leaf clover with a bunch of hearts bunched up. Kind of confused here. These clovers look kind of weird. I'm gonna use this one though. Okay. So we got a 3-leaf clover. Now we just need a 4-leaf clover. That's cool, bruh. That looks good. Oops. Now we need 5-leaf clover. Stem's too big on this one. I'm just gonna use this weird looking one. Probably fine. Would you help if you could? Parallels. 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 All your secrets are safe with me. Yeah, dude. That's a cook. That is a cook. That is a cook if I ever did one. That is a cook if I ever did one, for real. I think so. Check this out. Right here, bro. That's what the UI is, man. Oh, shit. Yeah, then I just gotta add, like, I mean, if I do it, right? If I make it to where they can auto delete, which it's like, why not, you know? I got sure I'll add it. It's a simple feature. So now I gotta make a sign, click to auto delete. And then I gotta make the top part right here, like the price. Um, what if you just do 2 of the 4-leaf clovers? Nah, that's not gonna look good. Not gonna lie. Because the images would be kind of like the sizes. In order to fit 2 of the 4 leaves, the image sizes wouldn't be great. I mean, if I did that, I'd have to come up with something like have one here, 2 here, 3 here, or something. You know what I mean? To make it look like make it make sense, I guess. This is fine though. Like I'm fine with this. Like I think it looks all right. I think this is fine. You have click to auto delete because it's not an auto delete button. You need to click the pets. So if it was just auto delete, then they'd be clicking this and thinking it's a button, and it wouldn't really make sense right away. I almost did click a pet to auto delete, but that's a little too much. It's not needed, clearly. And I probably should change this though, because it does look kind of like a button. Like all these are, well, this isn't a button. It'll be fine. I mean, honestly, what I could do, since almost all these are buttons, nah, I'm just gonna leave it. It'll be fine. Overthinking it. It looks good either way. Yeah, I don't know. I think it'll be fine, bro. I think these are fine. I mean, the only thing is this isn't a heart one. That's really the only thing. This isn't a heart one. So it's out of place with these two, because these are both heart ones. But it's fine for now. I just don't feel like messing with it. I would want ones that look like this that aren't heart ones. I don't really like the heart style. Yeah, it's fine for now. Like I'll end up changing it later, but I'm gonna just finish up this UI. I think I'm almost done. This is the pets inventory, and then this is the billboard. After this, I don't think there's anything else I need to make. The fuck is this? All right. I used to, and so I have it for whenever I want to get back into it, really. But I'm focused. I'm like locked in on just developing right now. So I think this is good. This is pretty good. I like the way this turned out. I'm happy with it for now. Except yeah, these pictures. It's just the hearts. The only thing I don't like about this is the hearts. I really like this one a lot. This heart is just not it. And I honestly could fix these up in Photopea by just drawing lines and like then coloring them in, but I just don't feel like it. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it for now. I think that's it though. Oh, I need to create a I know what I forgot. I forgot. I need to create a background for the pets. What up, Hag? How do I change this radius, bro? There we go. I think this is fine. I would now the one things I want to do here again, this little thing right here, it's too crisp. I wish I could make that more blurry. It's just not working out though, so I don't really care too much. The common and this right here, I would get rid of the corner being so. How do I like what is up with this? The corner is very, very like there we go. Now it's a little bit different than our buttons. But now I need to do this one. All right, and so I will actually do that. I'll just change up the corner radius on those. See, it's a little bit better now. Just to make it like so it's just clearly like different than the buttons, right? Now you could say I could do this for this too, this level. Because these are all buttons and this level isn't. Or maybe I could do a game pass of level up to the next level. That's genius. All right. You use Figma too? Nice, bro. I think this is good. I think this is pretty good. We're good. We're lit. I think we're done with the pet UI, I'm not gonna lie. And then we would just change, we would just like add, like create more text for all our other stuff, but yeah, I think this is it, man. I think this is it. God, I am not looking forward to scripting this, bro. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. It's gonna take like a full day or two to finish this up scripting wise. Not wanting to do that at all. Alrighty. Because Roblox Studio is not designed for coding, it's designed for developing games. So VS Code is a IDE. Its sole purpose is to make coding, the coding experience, better and good. So that's why I do that. There's a lot of other benefits that you can go over, but yeah, that's the gist. But yeah, I'm gonna take a break, guys. Thanks for everybody tuning into the stream. I will see you guys later. I'm probably gonna do a stream later because I know I didn't stream long at all. I want to get another hour or so in. But yeah, see you later, guys.